For example 4, we're going to graph lines. In example A, the function is already in the format of mx plus b. We can see that the slope is 4, or we'll write it as 4 over 1. That way we can calculate rise over run. And then the y-intercept is 3, which is the point 0, 3 on the y-axis. We'll use that as our starting point. So we're going to start here. That's our y-intercept. And then to find our second point, we're going to go up 4 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1. So we think our second point is going to be here. I'm going to go backwards to get a third point. I'm going to go down 4 and to the left 1. So I'll get another point over here. And then what we'll do is we'll connect those 3 points. And that's our line. In the second example, this is written a little bit in a different format where we don't have the slope as the first component. So let's rewrite this as negative 3x plus 8. So then we can say that the slope is negative 3 over 1 and that the y-intercept is 8, or 0, 8. So we're going to start at 8 for our first point, which is here. And then to get a second point, we're going to go down by 3, since we have a negative 3, and then to the right by 1. So our second point will be here. Let's do that again. Let's go down 3 and to the right 1. And so our next point is going to be here. And then we connect these points and we get a line. For our third example, our slope is negative 3 over 8, and our y-intercept is 3, or 0, 3. We're going to start at 3. To get another point, we're going to go down by 3 units, which is going to be here, and then over 8, which is going to be all the way over here. So our next point is going to be down here. I'm going to go the other way to get to the left to get a second point. So I'm going to go up 3, which will be here, and then to the left by 8 over here. So here's a third point. So connecting these together, this is easier to do with a ruler, not as easy to do on a tablet, but here's our line.